Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to set up shipping charges in your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to your Shopify account, then click on Shopify settings, click on shipping and delivery, go to general shipping rates, scroll down, there is an option of shipping zones. Here we will add rate, give it a custom rate name as shipping fee, and price will be 50 rupees. Then click on done, save your changes. If you want to add a cash on delivery fee only for your cash on delivery orders, then you can download this advanced cash on delivery app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Now we will test our setup on our online store. Go to catalog, add any product to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Enter the full address. Scroll down here, you can see shipping fee is applicable for both the payment methods, cash on delivery and your manual payment methods. So that's it. You have successfully set up shipping charges in your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the like, share, comment and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy selling.